Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted a single UDP server that works perfectly with both HTTP custom and ZIVPN, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I am going to walk you through the complete process of creating a free UDP server and configuring it step by step inside both apps so you can enjoy a fast and stable connection. Let's get started right away. The first thing we need to do is install the two applications we will be using in this tutorial. Open the Play Store on your device and search for HTTP Custom. Once you find it, tap Install and let it download and install completely on your phone. Next, go back to the Play Store search bar and this time search for ZIVPN. Make sure you match the logo shown here on screen so you download the correct application. Once ZIVPN is installed, you now have both apps ready on your device, and we can move forward to creating our UDP server. To create our UDP server, open any browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type jagovpn and press Enter to continue. This will bring up the search results for the jagovpn website. From the search results, find and open the official jagovpn website. This is where we will be generating both our HTTP custom and ZIVPN UDP server details. Once you land on the jagovpn homepage, tap on the menu icon. From the menu, select Services, and then from the sub-menu that appears, choose SSH Tunnel to continue. On the next screen, scroll down and choose your preferred server location. In this tutorial, I will be selecting the Singapore server. Keep in mind that each server allows a limit of 2 accounts. Once you have decided on your location, tap Select Server to continue. You will now be taken to the account creation form. Scroll down and enter your desired username and password. You can choose either the free server option or the premium option if you want to purchase additional features. Once your details are filled in, tap Create SSH Account to continue. After a few seconds, your account will be generated, and you will see all the configuration details displayed on screen, including both your HTTP custom UDP details and your ZIVPN UDP details. Now let's set up both applications, one at a time. Go back to your home screen and tap on the HTTP custom app icon to launch it. This will bring you to the main HTTP custom home screen. On the HTTP custom home screen, check the UDP box first, and then enter your SSH details in the fields above exactly as shown on your jagovpn account page. If you want more control over your connection, tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. From here, you can tweak the UDP settings, including adjusting the receiver and sender values to optimize your connection speed. Once your settings are configured, go back to the main screen and tap the Connect button. Swipe right to view your connection logs, and you will also receive a notification confirming that you are connected. Now it's time to set up ZIVPN for UDP as well. Go back to your home screen, open the ZIVPN app, and you will land on its home screen. On the ZIVPN home screen, look for the Connection Type section and check the UDP server box to enable UDP mode. Next, open the side menu and tap on UDP tunneling. Here, enter the UDP server details you generated earlier from jagovpn into their corresponding fields, exactly as shown. Once everything is set up correctly, return to the home screen and tap the Start button to connect your VPN. After connecting, check your logs to confirm a successful connection. Once you see that everything is working, you are all set and ready to enjoy a smooth and stable connection on both apps. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you successfully set up your UDP server for both HTTP Custom and ZIVPN. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.